Hi, welcome to 346 26th Avenue. This unit has many wonderful amenities. Parking is available with the unit. There's shared laundry for the unit and the building. Here we are in the unit number 2. You walk into a nice living room. Now, this unit is located off the street, so it is very quiet. Here's the bedroom. You have a nice big window. There is carpeting throughout, lots of plugs in the bedroom, big closet. This goes all the way back. Just outside the bedroom is the living room, which is pretty good sized. You have gas heat, full bathroom with tub and shower combination. Good size shower head. And here's the kitchen. Refrigerator, range, good amounts of cabinet and counter space. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.